Hello students, how are you all? I hope everybody is fine at home. So in this video, I am going to explain you about addition of integers with the help of exercise 4B. So we have already done question number 3, question number 4 in the maths book, and I have already explained you about the properties based on addition of integers. So in this video, we will be solving some questions to get the better clarity on the properties which I have explained. So coming to question number 1. So the question number 1, all the questions will be done in the maths classwork copy. So option number 1 is 9 plus within bracket minus 6 plus minus. Say it with me. So 9 minus 6, 1 positive, 1 negative. We have to subtract and give the sign of the greater number. So the answer will be 3. Now coming to option number 2. Option number 2 is minus 3 plus 7. So 1 positive, 1 negative. We have to subtract and give the sign of the greater number. So minus 3 plus 7 will be 4. Understood? Option number 3. If you want to give the answer, you can pause the video and give the answers in the comment section. So 8 plus minus 8. So 8 plus minus 8 is equals to 8 plus minus. So 8 minus 8 is equals to 0. Coming to the fourth option. The fourth option is minus 1 plus minus 3. This is a little bit complicated. Plus minus. So minus 1 minus 3. Minus plus. साइन किसकी लगेगी? माइनस की. सो आई होप एवरीबडी इज क्लियर नाउ. कमिंग टू द फिफ्थ ऑप्शन, minus 4 plus minus 7. See, both the integers are negative. That means minus 4 minus 7. That means minus plus. 7 plus 4 is 11 and sign will be given as negative. Coming to the sixth one, minus 2 plus minus 8. So minus 2 minus 8. Minus plus. Sign किसकी लगेगी? Negative की. So I hope everybody has understood about this. Coming to the seventh option. Seventh option is 3 plus minus 2 plus minus 4. See, till now we were having two integers. Now we are having more than 2 integers. So we have to proceed step by step. 3, अब प्लस माइनस क्या हो गया आपका? माइनस हो गया. प्लस माइनस. सी माइनस प्लस. आप इसमें बॉड मास रूल फॉलो करेंगे तो आपका 3 minus 2, इसको माइनस क्या हो गया आपका? प्लस हो गया. सो 3 minus 6 एंड प्लस माइनस. 1 इंटीजर इज पॉजिटिव, 1 इंटीजर इज नेगेटिव. तो यहाँ पे क्या आंसर आएगा? -3. अगर आप इसको दूसरे तरीके से करते हैं तो 3 minus 2 क्या होता है? 1 होता है. और 1 minus 4 क्या होता है आपका? -3. देखिए आंसर दोनों केसेस में सेम आया. ठीक है. नाउ कमिंग टू द 8th ऑप्शन. This is also having 3 integers. Sit with your classwork copy and pens and write along with me. Then only you will be habitual of solving questions. Just match the answers and then you will be able to test your knowledge. So this is option number 8. So minus 1 plus minus plus minus. See, minus 1 minus 2, minus 2 minus 3. तो minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 and minus 3 minus 3 is minus 6. तो आप चाहे ऐसे करिए, minus 3 is equals to 6. The second way is minus 1 minus 5. This is also giving you minus 6. यहाँ पे भी minus 6 आएगा आपका. तो in both the cases we are getting minus 6 as the answer. Understood? Coming to option number 9. 5 plus within bracket minus 2 plus within bracket minus 6. So plus minus minus plus minus 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 प्लस, पर साइन किसकी लगती है? माइनस की. वन नेगेटिव वन पॉजिटिव, क्या करेंगे? माइनस करेंगे. साइन किसकी लगेगी? ऑफ द ग्रेटर नंबर. सो द आंसर इज -3. आई होप एवरीबडी हैज अंडरस्टूड. नाउ कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स. इसको जो है आप किस में करेंगे? मैथ्स की बुक में विद द हेल्प ऑफ पेंसिल. सो टेक आउट योर मैथ बुक्स and sit with your pencils. Start doing the questions along with me. First option is -3 plus -9 plus minus 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 plus. साइन किसकी लगेगी आपकी? नेगेटिव. अंडरस्टूड. कमिंग टू द सेकेंड ऑप्शन, -7 plus -8 -7 -8 because plus minus minus and minus minus plus, पर साइन किसकी लगेगी? माइनस की. अंडरस्टूड. मज़ा आ रहा होगा आप सभी को. यू मस्ट बी इंजॉइंग डूइंग दीज क्वेश्चंस अलॉन्ग विद मी. नाउ ऑप्शन नंबर 3, -9 plus 16. See, one integer positive, one integer negative. Plus minus minus and sign किसकी लगेगी? Of the greatest number. So which number is greatest? Greatest number is 16 and 16 is having which sign? Positive sign. So 16 minus 9 is 7. 16 minus 9 is 7. Coming to the fourth option, -13 plus 25 plus minus. Reply your answers in the comment section. Minus. Sign किसकी लगेगी आपकी? Of the greatest number. Greatest number is having positive sign. 25 minus 13 is 12. So if it is positive, by default we are simply writing the number. By default उसके आगे अगर कोई sign नहीं है तो we have to consider it as a positive integer. Coming to the fifth option, 8 plus -17 plus minus minus, one positive one negative. What we have to do? We have to subtract and give the sign of the greatest number. The greatest number is having negative sign. Coming to the last option, that is sixth option. So sixth option is 2 plus -12 plus minus minus, one negative one positive, subtract it and give the sign of the greatest number. So the answer will be -10. So I hope everybody have understood this. बहुत जल्दी हो गए. Question number 1, question number 2, 3 and 4 we have already done. Question number 5, we are going to do this question in the next video. Now in this video I am going to explain you about additive inverse. I think I have already explained you. और अगर नहीं समझाया है तो मैं अब समझा रही हूँ, ध्यान से समझिएगा. Listen to me carefully. What is additive inverse? Additive inverse means if we have to write the additive inverse of a particular number, that means that anything which makes the answer 0 by adding to that number. For example, if I am writing -2, so what must be added to -2 to make it 0? So -2 में हम क्या ऐड करेंगे कि वो 0 बन जाए? +2. So what is the additive inverse of -2? The additive inverse of -2 is +2. If I am writing -39, what is the additive inverse of -39? The additive inverse of -39 is +39. If I talk about 39, what is the additive inverse of 39? 39 में हम ऐसा क्या ऐड करें कि वो 0 हो जाए? So we have to add -39 to it. So the additive inverse of 39 is -39. I think the concept of additive inverse is clear now. Now can we proceed to the question of exercise 4b? That is question number 6. तो question number 6 में what is the first option? The first option is -57. So what is the additive inverse of -57? What must be added to -57 to make it 0? So the additive inverse is +57. So we will write like this, 57. आप उसके आगे प्लस लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Coming to the second option, -183. What must be added? Not -100, ये तो सिर्फ 183 है. What must be added to 183 to make it 0. So we have to add minus 183 to make it 0. So the additive inverse of 183 is minus 183. Coming to the third option, what is additive inverse of 0? The additive inverse of 0 is 0 only. क्योंकि 0 में 0 ऐड करोगे तो 0 ही आएगा. So the additive inverse of 0 is 0. Coming to the fourth option. So the fourth option is minus 1001. What must be added to minus 1001 to make it 0? Plus 1001. So the additive inverse of minus 1001 is plus 1001. Coming to the fifth option. So the fifth option is 2054. So the additive inverse will be minus 2054 to make it 0. So I hope everybody is clear now with the concept of additive inverse. Now which question is left? Question number 7, question number 8. Write the successor of each of the following. तो ये तो आप खुद से ही कर सकते हैं. You can do it by your own, but I am solving it in the video. Question number 7. First option is 201. Successor means just add 1 to it. So it is 202. Now second option is 70. So it is 71. Third option is minus 5. So what is the successor of minus 5? Minus 5 में जब हम 1 को ऐड करेंगे तो प्लस माइनस माइनस साइन किसकी लगेगी? बड़े नंबर की. सो द सक्सेसर इज माइनस 4 बिकॉज माइनस 4 इज ग्रेटर देन माइनस 5. अगर प्रेडिसर पूछा होता तो माइनस 6 होता माइनस 5 का. इन केस ऑफ नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स द आंसर इज डिफरेंट. Right. Coming to option number 4th, it is minus 99. So the successor will be minus 98 because plus minus minus and the sign of the greatest number is given to this. Now fifth option is minus 500, adding 1 to it. So the successor is minus 499. I hope all of you have understood. Successor और predecessors को भी मैथ्स की बुक में पेंसिल से कर लीजिएगा. Don't need to do this question in copy. You can write the answers directly, calculate them in your mind and write the answers directly in the maths book. Coming to question number 8. Write the predecessor of each of the following. First option is 120. So minus 1, the predecessor will be 119. Now coming to the second option, 79 minus 1, it will be 78. Coming to the third option, minus 8 minus 1, so it will be minus 9 because minus minus plus and sign किसकी लगती है? नेगेटिव लगती है. Now coming to the fourth option, minus 141 minus 1, so it will be minus 142. This is the predecessor. Coming to the fifth option, minus 300 minus 1, so the predecessor will be minus 301. I hope everybody has understood. So thank you students, that's all for today. Write the questions as per the instructions provided by me and don't get confused. Thank you students. Have a great day ahead.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.